Imagine this. That dusty old laptop in your closet suddenly roars back to life, blazing through tasks like a brand new beast, free from the resource-hogging bloat that's been dragging you down. Enter FunOS, the sleek, minimalist Linux powerhouse revolutionizing efficiency. Stick around as we unpack why this under-the-radar distro could be your ultimate upgrade. All right, let's head straight to the About page. It's super straightforward. No fancy bells and whistles, which totally matches the minimalist vibe. The header says About FunOS, with a quick link back to the homepage. They kick off by calling it a lightweight, minimal GNU Linux distribution designed to provide a streamlined, efficient, and highly customizable computing experience. It's built on Ubuntu LTS, which means long-term support. If you're new to Linux, Ubuntu LTS editions are super stable, with updates locked in for 5 years or more, prioritizing rock-solid performance over the latest shiny stuff. The base is a big deal. Ubuntu is one of the most popular distros around, famous for being easy to use. By building on it, FunOS taps into a huge world of software, drivers, and community help, but they strip away the extras, so it's perfect for personal projects or work setups where you need things to run lean. Now, onto the key features. This is where FunOS really stands out, and I'll walk you through each one. Okay, feature 1, it's based on Ubuntu LTS. They highlight the long-term support, even linking to Wikipedia for details. LTS gives you security fixes and bug patches without those big upgrades messing up your day. In a world where tech gets outdated fast, this is a huge relief. Take the current FunOS 24.04.4. It's based on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS, codenamed Noble Numbat, supported until 2029 and end of life in 2036. That's more than a decade of dependability. Looking at it closely, this makes FunOS a solid choice for servers, embedded gadgets, or daily drivers where you can't afford interruptions. Feature 2, the JWM Window Manager, Joe's Window Manager. FunOS goes with JWM, a really lightweight window manager. If you're switching from Windows or Mac OS, this is what manages your Windows look and feel. No flashy animations. It's great for older machines since it's basic and easy to tweak. As the page puts it, its simplicity and ease of use configuration allows users to tailor their desktop environments to meet their needs, delivering fast performance and low resource usage. I dig this because it puts the power in your hands. From what I've seen, JWM can handle systems with just 512 megabytes of RAM, turning FunOS into a lifesaver for old school computers. Check out this menu. Clean and straight to the point. The background's this peaceful tea field, adding a nice, chill touch. Digging deeper, JWM's lightness cuts down on overhead versus bulkier options like GNOME or KDE, which can gobble up gigs of RAM. Feature number 3, Ubuntu HWE kernel. HWE means hardware enablement. This kernel adds support for newer gear to LTS versions. Usually, LTS sticks with an older kernel for stability, but HWE refreshes it now and then. FunOS includes it, so it works with fresh hardware like new Wi-Fi adapters or GPUs. The page says, this ensures that FunOS can run smoothly on the latest devices, providing extended support for new hardware with updated kernel features and security improvements. Clever stuff. It balances steady reliability with cutting-edge compatibility. For folks with a mix of old and new tech, this is a total win. Feature number 4, and this is a big one, it's snap-free. Snaps are Canonical's all-in-one packaging, but they've got their critics. They can take longer to launch and eat more space because of the isolation. FunOS skips them completely, ensuring faster application startup times, reduced disk space usage, and more control over software updates. This draws in folks who like the old school apt way. Breaking it down, ditching snaps keeps everything slim, fitting the minimalist style. If you've ever tapped your foot waiting for a snap to open, you'll get why this rocks. Feature number 5, minimalist design. FunOS packs just the basics. File manager, text editor, terminal, image viewer, music video player, calculator, web browser, and document viewer. No extras. This cuts resource use and amps up speed. It's spot on for older setups, but holds up on new ones too. The page notes, the lightweight design helps reduce resource consumption and boosts performance, making it ideal for both older and modern systems. Here's a terminal popped open. Black and green, pure classic Linux on that green backdrop. Feature number 6, lightweight resource usage. It idles at 230 to 250 megabytes of RAM. Pretty amazing, right? Stack that against Ubuntu's default GNOME, which hovers around 1 gigabyte plus. For underpowered machines, this means better multitasking without hiccups. In the end, that tiny footprint opens doors for VMs, IoT projects, or emergency boot drives. Feature number 7, compact ISO size, about 1.8 gigabytes. Easy to grab even on a sluggish connection. In a time when ISOs balloon to multiple gigs, this is a nice change. Feature number 8, Ubiquiti installer. It's user-friendly, works with BIOS UEFI, 64-bit AMD, and Secure Boot. Setup's a breeze, no big hurdles. So why choose FunOS? Performance. Being lightweight means it's quick. Even on ancient hardware, no trade-offs there. Stability. The Ubuntu LTS Foundation delivers trustworthy updates. Customizability. With JWM and a bare-bones start, you can tweak it all. Security. Smaller footprint means fewer vulnerabilities, plus fresh kernel patches. Simplicity. Straightforward, no clutter. Thinking about it, FunOS is aimed at people who like to take charge. It's not the hand-holding type like Mint for newbies, but great for hobbyists, devs, or hardware revivers. The upsides? Super efficient, long-lasting. The downsides? You might need to add stuff manually, and apps are limited out of the box. From the main site, there are releases like 24.04.4 and 25.10 with SourceForge downloads. Docs cover upgrades, fractional scaling, and adding apps like Betterbird or Mulvad VPN. It feels like an active project, with previews for the upcoming 26.04 LTS. In the wider Linux world, FunOS slots in with lightweights like Puppy Linux or antiX, but the Ubuntu roots give it better app compatibility. Why fun in FunOS? Could be because customizing is enjoyable, or it's short for functional. Those nature wallpapers bring a fun twist to the simplicity. If you're digging this, smash that like button and subscribe for more Linux breakdowns. Let's go deeper. That low resource use. 230 megabytes idle comes from the JWM's no-frills stacking without fancy effects. Compared to Windows 11 needing 4 gigabytes minimum, FunOS could squeak by on 1 gigabyte total. On the eco side, it helps cut e-waste by keeping old gear alive. Install-wise, Ubiquiti's intuitive and handles Secure Boot for new laptops. After setup, you can pull in anything from Ubuntu's repos via app. The community. The site's got release notes and guides, but no dedicated forums. It probably leans on Ubuntu's massive support network. Now let's look ahead. Snapshots for 26.04 show it's growing. Maybe more themes or features down the line. One catch, no snaps means some apps, like certain games, aren't plug and play, but Flatpaks or app images can step in. Who's it for? Thinkers, devs wanting a slim workspace, teachers setting up budget labs, or anyone sick of system bloat. Wrapping up, FunOS captures what Linux is all about. Free, flexible, and efficient. The About page shows a distro that's smart and intentional. If this sparks your interest, grab it from funos.org and test it in a VM. It's a fresh take in a packed distro field. Thanks for tuning in. Comment below. Have you guys tried FunOS? What's your top lightweight distro? Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.